So initially, when we heard about engaging young adults, the goal was just to get the young adults involved. We didn't know to what magnitude, we didn't know what the end results were going to be, but we knew that this was an opportunity for young adults to come together and do something. And once we realized it was over a period of 2 years, it was like, well, this is a great opportunity because this is a pretty reasonable time for us to figure something out and for us to come up with a game plan to get our young adults involved.
The Youth Intergenerational Grant, that is a favorite grant of mine because of the fact that we're combining young people who may not have a mother, may not have a father, but maybe there's a male, maybe there's a female that can connect with them on a humanitarian level, on a personal level, with the absence of parents. And then when you talk about people who've never been on a plane before, come on. You talk about people who've never been to certain, just be honest, haven't been outside of Gary. So to be able to expose them to different sights, sounds, and different people who've been where they're going, that just, it was something that really, the Center for Congregations really, we had one grant like that before, but then we kind of added on. So they really did like that concept. And not all of the children were members of the church. So some people, because we have a lot of community activities. And so some of them came from the community, and that's even better because now we're reaching outside of the church to bring in young people into the church. So, and in the Black community, there's a great gap. When you talk about, you got Miss Grandmothers, you got Miss Mothers, Miss Fathers. And so to bring someone in their life who can fill that void, that was a powerful grant for us.
What allows our relationship to grow at the Center for Congregations with Peter's Rock and Peter's Rock with us, the reason why I couch it in this way is the fact that it has to be mutual. The marriage between us and Peter's Rock Missionary Baptist Church is the fact that we offer grants. And so his first major grant initiative is the Engaging Young Adults with EYA. And then he had a second resource grant with us, and it dealt with multi-generational young people and how to bring them together from different aspects of their lives. And they just engaged. They went to a camp. They read books. They went on trips that they historically would have never gone on. They met people from our Amish community, right? And it was phenomenal.
I definitely would want other pastors to consider the Center for Congregations. Number one, it could bless your church. Number two, I want them to get away from the fear, the phobias of, articulating something that may not be received. That's what I kind of really want to say, The center never discourages what you put down. They just try to enhance it and say it can be better. And I think that's what I would want other pastors to do. No one, because pastors are very sensitive about their vision. And if someone criticizes it or doesn't accept it, then it may be, but the center's not like that. The center only enhances. They only want to assist. And that's what I would want pastors to know, that you got a great resource that would bless your congregation. You got a great resource that will further your ministry. You just have to be open-minded to the suggestions that would come on how to do that. And that's what I would say.
I've been able to see the church evolve into becoming open-minded and being able to explore different opportunities as far as being creative and being innovative. And that's one of the things that have kept me here at the church and wanting to be active and involved.
One of the things I want people to hear about Peter's Rock is a real church. We don't have anything to prove as far as our commitment to God. We don't have anybody to impress as far as our loyalty to God. When you come to Peter's Rock, you're gonna meet real people and you're gonna meet a real pastor.